there used to be bikini round in that. So my mom was like, "Oh, you'll do this? No, no, bikinis are not allowed."
Tea or coffee?
I think I should go with neither.
What is your screen time?
Oh my god. I went and it was a teacher's training program.
Hello everyone, I'm your host Sanjeevani Itadkar and welcome to Chai Chat and Chaos. Today we have a very special guest. She's a dancer, she's a yoga instructor and she is a content creator. Please welcome Srishti Mishra.
Thank you for having me.
How's it been? How are you feeling right now?
I am a little nervous, but
Yeah.
yeah, I think I'm fine.
Yeah, she's doing this for the first time. So I want to talk about how was Srishti Mishra before all the followers or the career.
So not much, like itna zyada kuch tha nahi. I started everything just after my 10th. I think I started,
Oh.
yeah.
Wow.
So not much happened. 10th ke baad I started yoga ka thing. And then later one reel, one post. And then I was like, oh, people are really into this.
Oh.
So then I
Yeah.
started with the reels thing. So yeah, it wasn't much.
So is it something you wanted to do for a long time, or is it log ko pasand aa raha tha, so you felt like okay, people are loving this, so I should?
It was like there were dreams. Like सिर्फ ये नहीं था. There were a lot of things that I wanted to do, but
Like what?
so I used to watch India's Next Top Model. I think
Oh
कोई
my God.
show आता था. Yeah. I used to, before going to the school or after coming to the school, I used to switch on the TV and I used to watch, like, Mama, I want to go there once.
Yeah.
Then there used to be bikini round in that. So my mom was like, oh, you'll do this? No, no, bikinis are not allowed. Oh, theek hai. I was very much attracted to being a model or ye sab.
Yeah.
But itna allowed nahi tha, so I was like, okay, fine, I'll do whatever suits my family.
Yeah. Do you ever just feel switching internet and just, do you ever felt like that? Yeah, I would turn it off and live life without it.
Yeah, it happens almost every week. हर
Every
week
week?
में yeah एक point आता है where you feel like, oh no यार, बस हो गया. Let me keep my phone aside. Let me go somewhere in the mountains. Just
Whoa.
go. Yeah, my mom is like, every day you feel like going out. Be stable. Like, how are you so fed up of doing things? Stay normal. You should be
Yeah.
here at home. Like,
Yeah. I feel like internet se overthinking and all बहुत बढ़ गया है. Do you overthink, or is it not a issue?
Yeah, I think everybody overthinks. It's just some people can show and others are very good at hiding.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
This is sort of controversial, but what is your screen time?
Oh my god. I don't know, honestly. I think
Do you want to check?
oh god.
Because mine is pretty bad, so can't be worse than that. I don't think so.
I don't know. I'm on my phone
Okay,
every
I'll
time.
tell you mine so that you'll feel less bad.
Yeah, I think that will be fine.
It is 12 hours per day.
Oh, I think
Exactly. The 12 hours I sleep in the 12 hours.
oh god.
Okay.
I don't know what will it be, but it is high only. I am sure.
Now I'm gonna head to the rapid fire segment. Basically, I'm gonna ask you questions and you have to quickly answer based on whatever the first thing pops into your head. Okay. First question is Netflix or Instagram?
Oh. I think I'll stick to my roots, Instagram.
Okay. Most used emoji.
I think there are two emojis that I use the most. One is this heart one,
Okay, yeah.
and then there's one that kiss one. मतलब ऐसा pout जैसा रहता है,
Yeah.
like blushy one. Like,
That's also my favorite one.
Yeah.
Okay. Your guilty pleasure.
guilty pleasure. It will be desserts.
A trend you secretly hate.
अभी तो I think इतने सारे trends, they keep on changing. It's
Yeah.
hard to keep a track on them. बट पहले क्या आई थिंक वो फिल्टर्स रहते हैं पता है इंस्टाग्राम पे आई डोंट नो पेरिस समथिंग
Oh yeah. And they switch it and
हाँ and then they just say this that and oh my who does that
I hated
Oh
the
God.
gulabi sari wala.
oh yeah
So I want to know about your first reel, like how it blew up and all that.
um so basically we were shooting in a studio for a YouTube video and then uske baad I decided to shoot normal reels वही outfit में
Yeah.
for your page. So there was this one song, I think कोई हरियाणवी song था.
Okay.
Yeah, कोई 52 गज का लहंगा something. There was this song. So my mom was behind me. Ki no, you make video on this.
Oh.
Please make a video on this. Even if you don't post, make it for me.
Okay.
Yeah, अच्छा okay. If you're saying so much, I will do it.
Hmm.
I listen to my mom a lot. तो like ठीक है
Yeah.
आपके लिए I will do, but I'm not sure if I'll post it or not because I don't think it will go on my feed or हरियाणवी song used to be like अरे डालू कि
okay.
नहीं थोड़ा तो वो किया and then I thought outfit was fine in a studio and shoot भी थोड़ा सा fine ही था वो तो I was like ठीक है let's try this. It blew up. It
Oh.
went 1 million.
Wow.
And I think उसी से my followers increased and then धीरे धीरे फिर वही outfit में we shot some other reel तो उसकी वजह से even that went viral.
Oh my god, nice.
So yeah, and then उसके बाद I was like ma
After
thank
that,
you.
I'll listen to my mom.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then my mom's like see मेरी बातें ना सुना करो सुनोगे ना तुम बहुत आगे जाओगे मैं बोला yes mama yes. So yeah.
So who is your like role model in this industry?
There's not one role model. I look up to people and उनका काम देखे या वो like ये इन्होंने ये अच्छा किया वो like I should learn something from this.
Yeah.
And then other people तो कोई एक जन नहीं है. I like learn from everybody जितना हो सकता है वो इनसे ये चीज सीखना चाहिए.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Do you want to like name the few people?
Name.
Okay, I'll answer mine. It's sort of funny. My role model is Rakhi Sawant. I think she's an icon and love her, bro. Love her. Let's head to the Never Have I Ever segment. So basically, I'll be asking you questions and you have to say if you have done it or not. So the first question is: agree to do a collab, but you low-key regretted it later.
Ooh. Let's just say
I have or I have not. First, I mean, you can explain.
I have.
Oh,
Yeah. Let's say कि my skin didn't glow later. That's all.
oh,
Yeah.
oh my god. Deleted a reel because it flopped.
Yes. I think I was very excited for some reel.
Hmm.
Then I was like, oh, this will be so nice. But later I was like, why? What happened to the views? I mean, this is so
Oh.
good.
What was that reel about?
I think it was some dance shoot एक studio में I did that. तो basically जो एकदम proper shoot करके when we add the reels ना उसका we expect इतनी मेहनत की है हमने
It was
should
that?
go yeah
Oh my god. Okay.
yeah and then there are some reels जो randomly if I shoot and they reach million so that okay
Yeah.
it's
It like
fine.
sometimes never makes sense, you know?
Yeah.
Filmed in one like clean corner, but like rest of the room was a mess.
Yeah, I have every time.
Yeah. Okay. When did you decide that you wanted to do, yoga or content creation as your career?
So for the yoga thing,
Hmm.
it's actually a very funny story how this started. When I was in school, I had this one thing that I want to be super flexible and I want to achieve splits. So
Okay.
and I used to try like how do people do this?
Yeah.
How are people doing this? ऐसा कुछ bone नहीं रहता है क्या body में? And then later 10th होने के बाद I was like no यार I want to do this. Let me try at least.
Hmm.
तो and I was पहले से into fitness and I was morning person only. तो जब vacations भी
Wow.
रहते थे तो सुबह सुबह उठ के I used to go on a walk. I was always into that. तो 10th के बाद there used to be one yoga instructor who who used to come home to teach my mom.
Okay.
So she told me like, oh, even you should do yoga. You seem fit. You dance also. You should try. Okay, I don't mind. And I was open to doing things. And तभी 10th हुआ था, तो I wanted to be productive. I was
Yeah.
like, ठीक है, let me try. I don't mind. So she gave me कोई वो number. It was Patanjali, I think. Yeah. Patanjali का था first. I went. सुबह 6 बजे था.
Huh.
I had to reach there. I went, and it was a teachers training program.
Oh.
Yeah. It was like, okay. I was sitting there. I didn't know. 6 का 7 हुआ, 7 का 8 हुआ, 8 का 9 हुआ. I was like, when will this end? And I had my class from 10 in the morning. Like,
Yeah.
I have to go to my class. When will I rest? Then later, कि ये teachers training का है. I was like, what? How am I
my
here?
God.
It's like, हाँ, मुझे लगा तुम्हें पता रहेगा टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग का है, कर लो, कुछ नहीं. Like, okay.
Wow.
So that is how I started.
Did you enjoy the?
Yeah. I did.
Wow.
I didn't realize, but I loved it. And
It's like destiny. It like brought you there.
yes.
Wow.
हाँ, तो उससे I think काफी बहुत जल्दी I got to learn a lot of things and थोड़ा maturity भी जल्दी आ गया. मतलब
Yeah.
बहुत सारी चीजें थी. तो this is how yoga started, and then classes. I was very मतलब 10th के बाद यार, how will I teach? I was very
Yeah.
conscious. तो उसके बाद I found a friend who used to teach yoga also. I was like, later, let me join. I just normally do. I won't teach.
Yeah.
I just want to practice. तो वो किया, and then later I started teaching एक दो clients को. Then उनका text आया after a month और ऐसा कुछ पूरा जब हुआ कि oh, this is the difference that I'm feeling.
Wow.
I feel so great after doing this. Thank you so much. This has changed. तो जो feedback था ना, I was like, oh my god,
Yeah.
I love it. I love it how I could help somebody
Yeah.
when they were going through something, or help people feel good about themselves.
Yeah.
Like, oh,
It must
this
be
is
like
it.
very like rewarding, I would say.
Yeah, I felt so good. I mean, like, this is the thing now. I want to
Yeah.
do this. ऐसा
Yeah.
you feel. I don't know how to express
I think maybe
that.
like clear ho gaya ki like this is what I want to do for the.
Yeah. And I never got bored. Like, even on my worst days, I still wanted to go.
Wow.
Yeah. So that is when I knew, yeah,
Wow.
this is it.
So we're gonna play this or that. I'll be asking you 7 questions and this or that. Okay.
Yeah.
Tea or coffee?
I think I should go with neither. I am lactose intolerant. So I have coffee, but coconut milk हो गया, oat milk वैसा.
Oh, okay. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person, but there are some days when I'm a complete night owl. मतलब I don't know what happens, and मैं सुबह 4-5 बजे तक I'm just up, and I just hope my mom doesn't just come and see me. Oh, क्या
Yeah.
कर रही है इतने बजे तक?
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I am introvert.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were gonna say ambivert.
हाँ, I am introvert completely, but now ऐसा work say you have to go out.
Yeah.
You have to meet people, sort of you have to make short conversations. तो तभी के लिए for that थोड़े time के लिए I get ambivert. Then I'm back with on my introvert thing, and I just be quiet.
Yeah.
And if somebody comes to me, I'm like, oh yeah,
Yeah.
this and that.
It's good that you can switch, because sometimes it's like if you're an introvert you can't. You're like, don't talk to me.
No, to
I'll
like-
cry.
Social battery रहता है.
Yeah.
When it goes off like completely, तो sometimes it feels like there are people who come to me, oh, like we thought you will be very rude. ऐसा देख के लगता है आपको you will be very rude, and then so my straight face is
Resting
this.
face.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
We were like, oh, you're so मतलब who will come to talk to you?
I have had the same experience. Is there like any like bizarre thing that a person said to you regarding yoga and you were like, whoa?
I think this came from a client or a friend also, who was a gym person.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like अरे yoga में there is no fitness, कुछ भी you do, जिम करो, what are you all doing, खाली flexibility से कुछ नहीं होता है, आँख बंद करके nothing will happen, come on get up,
Oh my
work out.
God.
Okay.
Sounds like something a gym person would say though.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
gym is good, it's good for building strength, but you cannot say that for yoga. I mean you don't practice it, so you don't know much.
Yeah.
But when you learn it from a person who really knows what they are doing, I think it changes a lot. And I think jitna strength you need in gym, utna hi
Mhm.
strength you need in yoga. It's like, come to me someday, I'll teach you. And then I bet you can't even do wo strength ke jo thing rehte that you do in
Yeah.
gym. You will have a hard time doing that when I teach you yoga.
Yeah. So we're gonna wrap. So the last question, what is the piece of advice you still like, stand by or you want to share?
I think you should go with your gut. You should go with your instincts honestly. There are some days when people push you a lot. You don't feel like doing a certain thing. मतलब रहते हैं लोग, they try to push you for your own good. But I think it's high time you should start listening to yourself. I mean, like genuinely, not in a lazy way. One should know कि कब lazy बन रहे हो
Yeah.
and कब you should really go. I think that's the hard part to crack.
Yeah, which one, Yeah.
हाँ कि कब you should listen to your instincts. But
Yeah.
Once you start doing that, I think it will work wonders for you. It has happened to me a lot. There are, even when you meet people or friends, ऐसा कुछ रहता है, तभी भी you get that feeling.
Yeah.
Uh,
You're like, I shouldn't.
Yeah, and कोई circumstance में I should just leave.
Yeah.
वो हुआ. It was basically in life.
Hmm.
But social media wise, I think consistency is one thing, and showing up is important.
Yeah.
Like no matter what, whatever is happening in your life, you should show up. I mean, if you really want to grow,
Yeah.
I've learned it a hard way.
Oh.
Still learning. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Shrishti, for being here. That was it with the episode. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and follow her and follow our channel, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.